Hey, it's This Week in Forex, Crypto, and Stocks. This is Investive. I'm your coach, Kiana. I'll be covering the hottest market gossip in just a few moments. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button to get my Investiva updates as soon as we publish them. Let's start with the Forex market. Last week was a bit of a disappointment for those holding on to the US dollar that was weighed down by trade tensions and had increasingly negative outlook from the Fed. The Fed's recent interest is cutting interest rates and is now an ongoing cause for concern. While the US dollar floundered, the Canadian dollar was able to perform above investor expectations. The New Zealand dollar was also able to surprisingly do well, largely because of the fact that many of the larger currencies have been struggling. In Europe, the pound experienced yet another disappointing performance, hurt by further Brexit uncertainties and a series of disappointing financial reports. On the mainland, the euro performed marginally better, though the continental currency still had its fair share of ups and downs. The Japanese yen is yet another currency that has been down, and with a few Japanese reports on the horizon, it will likely remain down this week as well. The biggest reports to watch out this week include the US CPI numbers and retail sales figures. On the charts, the dollar-yen pair appears to have completed a double top chart pattern and is attempting to bottom out at 108. On the 4-hour time frame, it is testing the lower band of the Ichimoku cloud, with the Tenkan line crossing above the Kijun line. For my Forex trading signals, check out the pig on Investiva.com. Next is the crypto market. Bitcoin began last week with a bit of a slide, dropping in value from a 2019 peak of around $8,800 to a June floor around $7,500. However, things are starting to look up again for the world's largest cryptocurrency, who opened this week with a $300 rebound. Holders of Litecoin were greeted with good news to start this week as the coin broke the $125 mark and reached its highest price in over a year. Other altcoins also opened this week with a rally, suggesting that the crypto industry as a whole may be experiencing a fundamental change in value. Interest in blockchain technology from Target and other major retailers may help fuel the mid-year bullish market. Another development to keep an eye on is the introduction of Bitwage, a new crypto payroll technology that allows employees to be paid in Ether. If you're wondering how you can take your crypto investing to the next level, don't forget to get your free copy of my new book, Cryptocurrency Investing for Dummies, on Investiva.com. And last but not least is the stock market. Last week was a good week for most major indexes in the United States, including the S&P 500, which increased in value by nearly 150 points. However, this unexpected rally was mostly caused by negative signals coming from the Federal Reserve, prompting a shift away from the US dollar. Despite last week's rallies, many major investors have a pessimistic future outlook. Citigroup opened the week predicting a full-on scale bear market, a forecast that has been reflected by many others in the industry. Even as an end to trade disputes may stimulate markets for a short amount of time, investors' sentiment continues to fall. As talks between a Fiat Chrysler and Renault fell apart last week, talks of a merger between Raytheon and United Technologies attracted interest around the world. If approved, the merger would result in one of the aerospace conglomerations ever formed. Elsewhere in the merger market, T-Mobile and Sprint are taking steps towards consolidating, though there is still a lot more work that needs to be done on this one. Other companies to keep an eye on this week include Facebook and Google, who are becoming increasingly vulnerable to trust busting. We'll be keeping an eye on falling oil prices as well. That does it for this week's news. I'll be sharing my personal investment strategies for Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency in Investiva's premium investing group, also known as the PIG, on Tuesday. Don't forget to register your free spot for the Make Your Money Work for You masterclass. to see how you can get in the pig. You can find the link in the description area of this video. And thank you so much for watching Investiva, and remember, make your money work for you.